Labada video. And it's been a while since I made a video in general because I've been sick and I've been so busy. We've been so busy because of school and work. So I just took the time to make a Labada video, guys, to update you guys on my life and whatever's going on. So guys, I just had my mom is behind me, guys, but she's shy. I know, pakita, guys. Recently I had my long test, which is my monthly test, and next week I'll be having my quarterly test, and those are two different things that I definitely have to study for. And honestly, like, there's a lot of essays, and I didn't really expect that because back in my old school, St. Mark, it's really like there were no essays, but a bunch of anong tawag nga nun? Multiple choices. So I'm not really used to it, but I'm adjusting. That must be why my classmates are so fast at doing their work, because there used to be essays. But honestly, like, essays aren't really my type. They're not really. I mean, I can do essays, but it's kind of hard for me, you know? Like, do you guys get that feeling?
You'll get used to it.
Yeah, because now I'm starting high school, and it's harder than I thought because there's a lot of group projects, kaso lang yung mga kaklase ko walang ginagawa. And anong tawag nga nun? There's a lot of homework. But that's fine because homework is something that I can do when I don't have anything to do. Diba? Still though, I have to do it. I mean, it's better than being on the phone all day. And my school life naman, I think it's going pretty well. I just did the new school, I got comfortable, and I think that's a good thing, diba? Also, I still have support. And right now, guys, as I'm speaking, right now, guys, as I'm speaking, ano tawag? There's rain outside. You guys can't see it, but there were a lot of rain. That's still raining. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Yeah. I mean, it's raining a lot recently. I think it's because of the Baguio. There's Baguio here in the Philippines. That's why my school was suspended, like last Friday. Actually, Friday, yeah, last week is Friday. So I had to make videos, but I still had homework to do, and a bunch of them were essays. Yes, I have homework that is essays, guys. I feel like we do essays on a daily basis in school. That way I can get used to it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hanggang sa parang wala na lang.
I mean, I'm a really big overthinker kasi, so I get stuck with thinking on what to say, or is the sentence good enough? Does it look like AI? Please trust me, I'm not using AI, because using AI for your essays, it's, I don't know, it's bad.
Hindi ka overthinker. Whatever comes in your mind this time, and gusto mo lang eh.
Gusto ko kasi maging good yung essay ko, but not too much to look like AI. So, and sometimes it's hard for me to think of a sentence that can make the essay longer. Because, you know, I'm a simple person. I answer simply.
Ano naman ang dapat?
Yeah, but essays are supposed to be long.
Abahan mo lang, para ka lang nag-storytelling.
Paano ko naman? Yun yung sinasabi ko eh. Like, how can I make it long? It's really not that simple for me. Yeah, like a simple person, I would answer in a short sentence. Pero hindi ganun yung essay, so I have to think harder. Hindi naman
Essay na,
magaling siya.
essay is teaching you how to be creative. Critical thinker. Yun ang pinuturo sa inyo ng essay. Para pag halimbawa may event o tinatanong ka in pronto,
Pronto?
kung mag-minister ka, pagtanungin ka, hindi.
Wow, I want to know that.
Alam mo na, sinasanay ka na nasanay na yung brain na rin.
I'll eventually get used to it, but I'm still slow.
Kaya nga din. Everything na kailangan naman yung practice.
Also,
Kaya nga nung baby ko, wala kang alam, di ba? Lahat naman tayo, wala kang alam kung basta.
dun sa long test namin, guys, merong essay sa math. Grabe. It's a question that you have to, it's an essay talaga.
First time mo?
Huh?
First time mo?
Okay, essay sa math? Oh, of course! I've had essays in probably any subject. Math? Grabe naman. That's absurd. It's probably just identification, but sinabi niya talaga na essay.
Minsan kasi, kailangan mo lang din mag-isip. Kailangan mo kasi ka na lang
I do understand it, but I can't explain it in words. It's just like that. Can you guys hear the rain? It's really loud. I mean, it's not really that loud, but I can hear it clearly. And I wonder if you guys can. And let me know if it's also raining there for you guys. And, nasuspend din ba yung klase niyo, guys? It's like every year there's Baguio in the Philippines. But we're pretty much used to it. It's like climate change. Diba?
Hindi na ba mag-start ka lang mag-start?
Yeah.